What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And so pretty much today I'm going to be showing you a Roblox full Lua working script executor. I know it's working because I tried it on my laptop and it works nice and fine. You do not need to turn off your antivirus. You do not need to do anything with your antivirus except maybe scan it. Which I have scanned it. It doesn't say anything. So go ahead. Now what you're going to do, open your files folder. It may be in your downloads, but I put it on my desktop, so it's going to be in my desktop. I made a new folder called K, but let me just rename it to Sk8r. Boom. So go ahead and open it, and as you guys can see, it is not called Sk8r. This download link will be in the description below. You do not need to be administrator to open it or anything, but mine won't inject because we have a weird setting on our computer where we need to add an allowed app, so it won't inject unless we do that. So what you're going to go ahead and do, go ahead and double click on Club Dark, and boom. So you're going to click on this, but you have to press continue, and it'll say that. It'll say user blah blah blah. I need to add an allowed app. But what it'll do, it'll take you to like a Sk8r, maybe not a Sk8r. I think a Sk8r or something like that. Do I'm not a robot. Wait 10 seconds. It'll take you to like a paste bin. And then it'll be like a weird black thing. It'll look something like this. It'll look like this. And then it'll say type in the key that it shows you. So, like, it would be like that. And then click on enter. And then right here, you'll get a notification. Successfully injected. And you guys, I promise, it is not using anything from We Are Devs, Club Dark API, and that. And then it has these scripts here, and you can add more if you wanted. And yeah, that is Sk8r, and it is not patched because I was using it just today. Download link in the description below if you guys want to try this Roblox hack exploit out. Roblox hack / exploit out. That will be in the description below. I am thinking of I'm thinking of starting my own website with hacks that I'm going to make, just that I made, and put it on there, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. You know, you guys can go ahead and check that website out if I ever make it. I probably won't make it though, but just in case I find a nice API that is not We Are Devs, because I need a free API that's not We Are Devs. Literally, my gosh, I hate the We Are Devs API. I gosh dang hate it. So if anyone knows an API that's free and I can download, and it's not We Are Devs, go ahead and put that in the description below. Now, if you guys want this exploit, link in the description. Credits to Club Dark. So here we go. I'll put this in the description below. So go ahead and go here. Link in description. And what you're going to do, go ahead and scroll down, and it will say click here to download Sk8r. Press on that here button, and then just press download, and then you can download it. Boom, that easy. It'll start downloading, and then boom, guys, you have Sk8r right here, guys. Sk8r, and it works. The settings for some reason does not work. Games, I don't know, I haven't checked that out because you have to inject it. I did try no clip in jailbreak. It kind of crashed my game. But I will try walk speed, and I will update you guys when I can inject this. See ya!